Welcome to Wondershare Filmora tutorials. In this video we will see that how do we apply the vintage effect on a video to make it more cinematic. So vintage effect is one of the most popular effects that are applied to the video settings. In this video we are going to see that how do we apply that using Filmora software into our videos. Suppose first of all you need to select the videos. So suppose I selected this video and I want to apply a vintage effect. So go to the effects and just select vintage, which I have already done. These are these 5 effects that you will get. You can just download any effect and just double click on it to preview the effect, that how it will look on your video. So this effect will look like this. This you can preview even before applying on your videos, just to get an idea of which effect you should apply. Let me just download all these effects and apply on my videos. Okay, now on to the 4th effect. Just double click to apply it. So this is how it is looking, and this is the final effect. If you have multiple effects options, then you can just see all of them and see how they look. So this effect is actually looking the best among all the vintage effects. So what I do, I just drag it onto my video for the entire duration of the video. I just want to drag it for the entire duration, and if I just play it, so that's how my video is looking in the vintage effect. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.